With Pro Steam here. Today we're cleaning some commercial glue down carpet, and this carpet is in a very poor condition. Loaded with dry soil, lots of debris all over the surface, and lots of dirt and sand that's been tracked in from outside. Now, we have performed, I should say, a demonstration on part of this carpet to demonstrate that we can make a difference. We're using this machine here. This is a CRB machine. It's a contra-rotating brush machine. And this machine here, we're going to use this before we even vacuum the floor. And what this is going to do is going to pull as much of the dry soil from the carpet, and those dry soils are going to end up in these renovator trays here. And you can see we've done a portion here, and you can see quite a difference. Anyway, we're going to time lapse this, and we're going to do everything from brushing the carpet, vacuuming the carpet, and then steam cleaning the carpet. And you're going to see exactly how much work goes into what we do. Right, that's that one done. That's 2.5 hours work, and it's not perfect because the carpet is damaged, but it is looking loads better, and at least all the dirt and spillages have been removed, and that's the most important thing. We can't remove the damage, we can't remove every piece of gum, and we can't remove every spot caused by glue, but there you have it.